Have you ever wondered how to do this insane slide effect?
Oh my god!
Well, today we're going to show you exactly how it's done through After Effects, so let's go. So starting off, we want our main clip and dragging it into a composition. So from here we want to cut down our footage to how much we actually want to use of it. So I'm kind of happy with about that much, so I'll just cut it down. So this is what we're going to use. So next step is actually going to this little ROTO brush tool, clicking on it, and then double clicking our main footage. So just double tapping it and it'll go into another layer. So from here, you need your timeline to be at the start, and then we'll zoom in a little, 100%. And you want to ROTO brush out your car. So just draw a line around your car, making sure you get all of it in. So pretty happy with that. So it's roughly got the cutout of the car. And let's just say, for example, I draw over here and it grabs a bit of the grass. Hold Option and you can actually remove part of the ROTO. So there we go. So I'm happy with roughly how it's looking. Obviously there's a few little bits in there, but it shouldn't matter too much. I'm too finicky to actually get the wing right now, but the main car is all in. So from here, you want to press spacebar and let After Effects do its work and actually ROTO brush out the whole car throughout the whole clip. So we'll see how it goes. So now that we notice the ROTO brush is done, we actually see that it actually doesn't grab this mirror just here. So in order to fix that, you paint over it again and just press spacebar and let ROTO brush do its thing again. So once the ROTO brush is done, we need to go back to our car composition shot, and then you'll notice the background has been removed. So from here, we need to duplicate the shot twice. So Command D, and then the bottom shot, we need to remove the ROTO brush. So just remove it there. Now from here, we need to go to the middle shot and then add an effect called Offset. So drag, drop it onto the middle shot. And then this is where you actually create the slide effect. So you can go left and right, or you can go up or down. So just reset that. So now we're going to set a keyframe at the start of our footage, and then go to the end. So I want this to go left to right, so I'm just going to adjust this right here to say 50,000. Press OK. So now just got to wait for it to load.
6.5 hours later.
So if it's taking a while for your actual computer to process this, you can drop down the quality to like half or a third or whatever feels best. So this is currently how it's looking right now. It's going left to right. So just remember, this one here is left to right, so just make adjustments with this. And then to make it go up and down, use this one here. So it's looking good right now, although we kind of want to add a bit of motion blur to this. So to do that, we go over to Effects, right Directional Blur, drag this onto your middle clip, drop it on, and then over here where it says Directional Blur, change this to 90 degrees if you're going sideways. And then blur length, let's just go 100. There we go. It's adding a bit more of a blur to it. So I hope you guys actually enjoyed how to do this actual sliding effect. If you have any other effects and kind of tutorials that you kind of want me to create, feel free to drop them into the comments. And yeah, we'll get started on them. Let's go till the next one. Woo!